Welcome to Lisa Academy's 12th Annual STEM Festival, where we invite students from all over the state of Arkansas to come and showcase their incredible STEM projects. This year's theme was space, so come on in and let's see where our students' creativity and ingenuity blast us off to today.
This is a water filter system on Mars.
Is to show and demonstrate how the ultrasonic sensors work on a real spacecraft.
Semiconductors collecting and capturing the sun's energy to convert it into energy that we can use.
This is a wind tunnel, and engineers use this so that they can experiment with shapes of objects.
It's been a pleasure today to meet and talk with so many of you students today. It's quite emotional for me. There's so much energy in you, there's a buzz, and I'm soaking it up.
Today is more than an event, it's a celebration. A powerful reminder of what becomes possible when curiosity meets opportunity.
I am impressed, I am encouraged, and I admire all of these students out here. And I'm impressed with the faculty and the teachers and the adults that have created this environment. 12 years of Arkansas STEM Festival.
The diversity that we see out here today brings about new perspective. And that new perspective will help us to see new highlights around this world. And we're just so grateful that you all are here today representing the best of Arkansas.
So hope you leave here proud. Proud not only of the final product, but of the effort that you put in to make it work. Proud of the questions that you've asked. Proud of the setbacks that you've worked through. And proud of the fact that you are building habits and skills that can take you far beyond this room.
You knew what you were talking about. You were excited about what you were learning. And as a mother of 2 children who are currently at Lisa North in kindergarten and 2nd grade, I'm so excited to see what they are going to get to experience over the next 7 to 10 years.
Congratulations, I loved visiting with you out there. The projects are incredible. Our future is bright. Thank you for what you're doing.
Lisa has opened up a bunch of opportunities, and I've learned so many different things.
But since I got to Lisa Hybrid, I've been really interested in it. I started doing projects, started getting active and all about this stuff, like the making project, going to festivals, showing off what I can do.
I feel more like engaged and stuff because Lisa West Elementary allows me to do what I love.
One reason why I like going to Lisa Academy is because the big STEM program they have, so you can learn so much, which is why I'm able to make this today because of how smart I am from going to Lisa. Lisa just gives a great opportunity in bigger divisions of what you want instead of a closer. There's a bigger opportunity of what you want to be if you want to grow up and more things, resources to learn.
So I think these are good examples of the imagination, the problem solving that students should have if they're going to go into the future of this world, where you always have to verify what you're learning and seeing online.